What's the meaning of clued in? Clued in. Clued in.
Clued in. Clued in. The term clued in is an informal adjective used to describe someone who is knowledgeable or well-informed about a particular subject, situation or trend. It can also refer to someone who has inside information or access to privileged knowledge. Being clued in implies that the person is aware of important details, trends or developments that most others are not. It is a valuable attribute in various settings such as business, politics, and social relationships. Essentially, being clued in means being well connected and informed, which can lead to greater success and influence.